Hello. Let's see diseases causes swelling. One, Edematous skin disease, ESD. Number two, lumpy skin disease of cattle, LSD. Number three, 3-day sickness in emphysematous form. Number four, abscess. Number five, hematoma. Number six, cyst. Number seven, hernia. Number eight, bursitis. Number 9, lipoma. Number 10, bottle jaw in chronic fasciitis. Number 11, pericarditis. Number 12, physiological edema. Number 13, traumatic pericarditis. Number 14, filariasis in cattle, buffalo, and camel. Number 15, ascites. Thank you, and like and share and follow me, and don't forget subscription in this channel. Bye.